What's going on, guys? Happy New Year. The 1st of January 2024. We're taking a look at Casper to start this year off here. It is Monday the 1st, 2024. We're going to take a look at Casper/Tether CSPR USDT daily chart, Gate.io on TradingView.com. I want to talk about couple things that we mentioned in yesterday's video, but it's a new year, it's a new day. So we're going to talk about some resistance at upper price targets once they are reached and trade back below. So we traded above target number 1 2 days ago. This big green candle right here, we traded above, that was the 30th of December. We traded above the 5265 level. That's this yellow line on the chart. We reversed back below it, and then the same with yesterday, the 31st. Traded above it, closed below it, and today we are actually turning it into resistance. We have not gotten above the level. Let's actually take a look at today's high to make sure. Let's see. Today's high would be, let's see here. High is 5257. So, nope, we didn't quite get above the 5265 level. So, when I have these levels on the chart, and I don't have too many on this specific chart, but you'll see in other videos, and I can continue to build them on this chart. When we get above these price targets, so let's say the market's down in here, it's trading up. I have the 5265 level on my chart. Price gets up there. Price continues to move higher. Then price actually pulls back to it, closes below it. And then as it's today will be the third day, we'll see where we close. That is the way I use these levels. It's very normal to see that once they are reached, they can actually turn into resistance for a period of time. Now, we don't know how long that period of time will be. That's why if you're going to trade, you got to be nimble, but it's very normal to see that. So this will be the first, second, this could be the third day that this level is going to act as resistance. So we'll have to see how long it goes, Maybe it's another day. Maybe it's today we close above it and then continue up to our target number 2, which is up there at 58. Let's see, 5868. 5868, it looks like, right up here. So I would expect some cooling off here for Casper until it can close above the 5265. Now we'll jump into a smaller time frame here, and you could really get an idea of where the price is at. So I don't know why I have this on my chart. But anyways, check this out. So here is a double top on the small time frame and then getting flipped into resistance. Let me try to get rid of this gray on the screen. I don't know why it's there. Let's see here. 3-minute chart. Well, whatever the case is, we got. So we have the big rally here above the 5265 price target. And we pulled back right to it, flipped it into resistance, and then traded underneath of it for a period of time. Big rally back up above it, pulled back right to it. Essentially a double top here. We are wedging right now. So we are wedging into the 5265, and then we are actually starting to trade lower here. So sometimes to get a closer look on the markets and what they're doing, go into a smaller time frame. So I've mentioned it before, and I haven't found anything that at least I'm comfortable with, the 3-minute time frame. So when I trade the futures markets, the micro futures markets, they're a much smaller product, much more friendly than the full-size contracts. And you can scale up and scale down depending on how big you want to trade. But when I trade them, the 3-minute time frame for active trading. If I'm trading like long term, maybe it's a trade that's days or weeks long, a daily chart's usually fine. But for shorter term trades, a couple hours, or so, the 3-minute time frame. So you can see how we're acting perfectly here right at this 5265. So look for a break back above the 5265 and a close. Once we got a close above that, then we'll continue to move up to our next target. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, guys. BTC. These charts are acting up right now, which is no good because I had a bunch of good lines on the chart. So Bitcoin still, we have a higher low for Bitcoin, but we still have a lower high. So we're potentially forming some kind of a pennant pattern here. So we'll see if this rally can continue up, take out this high here, which would have been the, let's see here. Oh, I'm on a weekly chart. That's why. Go back to the daily chart, guys. 1 minute. Here we go. Sorry about that. So you can see Bitcoin broke down below this support line. And if we drag this out, we'll see if it can break back above it, or does it turn into resistance and then roll over. So keep your eye on that, guys. It's a big player. Usually what Bitcoin does will carry over into the rest of the markets, into Casper, into XRP, etc. If the US stock market is starting to roll over, it's been on a very good rally. If the futures are getting ready to roll over, it looks like they got a little dicey the other day, then that could easily fuel some money back into cryptocurrencies. So keep your eye on Bitcoin, and then keep your eye on that level I was talking about on Casper, and look for a close above it, and that should take us up higher if we can get that. But let's see. Bitcoin might have a little bit more to go here, and then if it can get above this support, potentially now resistance line, if we can get above it, that'd be good. If not, it's probably going to roll over, and I still have a target down there, 38,601. Guys, have a great first day of the year. Welcome to the channel. We gained 1,900 or so subscribers in 2023. So that's a lot of people. 1,900 people joining the channel. In YouTube land, that might not be a lot, but just in general, if you think about 1,900 people all interested in the same thing, it's a lot. So I appreciate all you guys. 55, I think, or 59% of viewers are not yet subscribed. So go ahead and join us. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Let me know your thoughts down below.